हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग ऑर्गेनिक स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। ऑर्गेनिक में आईयूपीएसी सिस्टम ऑफ नोमेनक्लेचर वो करेंगे हम लोग। नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स। पहले क्या था, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स के बारे में अगर थोड़ा देखा जाए तो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स बोलते हैं ऐसा कंपाउंड जो हाइड्रोकार्बन और उसके डेरिवेटिव्स होता है। पहले ये व्यू था कि ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स को हम लेबोरेटरी में नहीं बना सकते, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में बनता है। वाइटल फोर्स थ्योरी था बर्जिलिस का, लेकिन वोहलर एक साइंटिस्ट था जिसने बर्जिलिस की थ्योरी को डिस्कार्ड किया। उसने यूरिया बनाया अमोनियम साइनेट को हीट करके लेबोरेटरी में, और उसके बाद मिलियंस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड बनने लगे लेबोरेटरी के अंदर। तो आज भी हर साल मिलियंस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड सिंथेसाइज होते हैं लेबोरेटरी में। लेकिन सबका अगर हम नाम देना चाहें तो जितने कंपाउंड्स हैं उसका नाम हम उसके डेरिवेटिव्स के हिसाब से नहीं दे सकते। तो इंटरनेशनल यूनिट ऑफ प्योर एंड अप्लाइड केमिस्ट्री एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिसने एक सिस्टम, एक तरीका समझाया कि कैसे हम किसी कंपाउंड का नाम दे पाएंगे। दैट इज कॉल्ड एज आईयूपीएसी सिस्टम ऑफ नोमेनक्लेचर। सो विल डू आईयूपीएसी सिस्टम ऑफ नोमेनक्लेचर। आईयूपीएसी नोमेनक्लेचर सिस्टम, नोमेनक्लेचर सिस्टम, आईयूपीएसी नोमेनक्लेचर सिस्टम। ठीक है, आईयूपीएसी नोमेनक्लेचर सिस्टम क्या है? इसके अकॉर्डिंग ये बोलता है दिस इज नथिंग, इट इज सिस्टमैटिक नेम ऑफ एनी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स। सो इस सिस्टम के थ्रू कोई भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स हो, उस नाम से उसका स्ट्रक्चर और स्ट्रक्चर से उसका नाम हम लिख सकते हैं। ठीक है, उसके डेरिवेटिव से नाम हम याद नहीं रख सकते। यूरिया है, यूरिक एसिड है, तो ये सारा एसिटिक एसिड है, मैलिक एसिड है, फॉर्मिक एसिड है, ये सब हम उसके डेरिवेटिव से इतने सारे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड का नाम याद रखना, दैट इज क्वाइट इम्पॉसिबल। इसलिए हम इस सिस्टम को अडॉप्ट करते हैं वाइडली, एंड दैट इज आईयूपीएसी नोमेनक्लेचर सिस्टम। इस सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग क्या था, तो आईयूपीएसी नेम ऑफ एनी कंपाउंड इज इक्वल्स टू नेम ऑफ प्रीफिक्स, नेम ऑफ प्रीफिक्स प्लस नेम ऑफ रूट वर्ड plus name of primary suffix plus name of secondary suffix। कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर दिया हो उसमें हमारी कोशिश होती है कि हम रूट वर्ड को पहचानें कि रूट वर्ड क्या होता है। So what is their root word, what is their prefix, what is their primary suffix, and what is their secondary suffix? And after identifying their prefix, root word, primary suffix and secondary suffix, we'll organize their name in this order itself. So name of prefix first, then name of root word, then name of primary suffix, then name of secondary suffix. Okay. So now, first of all, we'll see what do you mean by prefix. Prefix name is, that is prefix is what? That is this is the name of substituent or branch. It represents the types of substituent or branch. It represents the name of substituent or branch or types of substituent or branch. Any structure which is there in the form of branch or substituent, their name is given as prefix. Second is, we'll do about this substituent and prefix branch later on. Next is name of root word. So what do you mean by root word? What does it represent? Root word represents number of carbon atom. It represents number of carbon atom present in the main chain. It represents the number of carbon atom present in the main chain. Like for example, if number of only one carbon is present, their name is given as meth. If 2 carbon is present, their name is given as eth. 3 carbon is prop. 4 carbon is but. 5 carbon is pent. 6 carbon is hex. 7 is hept. 8 is oct. 9 is non. 10 is dec. 11 is undec. 12 is dodec. 13 is tridec. 14 is tetradec. 15 is pentadec. 16 is hexadec. 17 is heptadec. 18 is octadec. 19 is nonadec. 20 is icos. 21 anicos. 22 doicos, triicos, and so on. 30 will be tricont. 30 will be tricont. 40 will be quadracont, etc., etc. Then 100 will be cent. So, if in the main chain only one carbon is there, the name is meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec, and so on. This is the name of root word. So, in the main chain, whatever the number of carbon atom is present, that will represent their root word name. Next is name of primary suffix. Name of primary suffix. Name of primary suffix. So primary suffix is what? It represents the types of bond present in between two carbon atoms. In the main chain. In the main chain. It represents the types of bond present in between two carbon atoms in the main chain. Alright? Like see, if there is carbon to carbon single bond, their primary suffix name is N. Carbon to carbon double bond, their primary suffix name is ene. Carbon to carbon triple bond, their primary suffix name is ine. N, ene, and ine. That is primary suffix. Now, name of secondary suffix. Secondary suffix. It represents the types of functional group. It represents the types of functional group. Alright? So, types of functional group. Functional group, whatever the functional group name will be there, that name will be reflected in terms of secondary suffix. So, to understand the name of functional group and secondary suffix, we need to draw one table. Alright? See, we'll draw one table. Over here, serial number. At this place, types of functional group. Representation of functional group. Then their prefix name. Then their suffix name. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say first of all, types of function group. We'll take halogen. Halogen is X stands for fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Representation is X. Prefix name halo. Suffix name nothing. Second is alcohol. Representation is OH. Prefix name is hydroxy. Suffix name is all. This alcohol can be written as thioalcohol. This thioalcohol representation is SH. Alright. Then this is what hydroxy, it is thioxy. It is thiol. Then after ether. The representation is single bond O, single bond. This is alkoxy. Suffix is nothing. Again, if it is thioether, it is represented as S. Thioether. Okay. It is sulfo. The suffix is nothing. Next is aldehyde. The representation is C double bond O H. Primary suffix is formyl. Secondary suffix is al. Next is ketone. The representation is C double bond O. Prefix is alkyl formyl or oxo. Suffix name is on. Next is carboxylic acid. Representation is C double bond O OH. Then it is Prefix name is carboxy. Suffix name is oic acid. Then after acyl halide, representation is C double bond O Cl. Prefix name is chloroformide. This is X. If it is X, this will be haloformide. And this is oil halide. Next is acid anhydride. Representation is C double bond O, O, C double bond O, like this. The prefix name is alkanoic formyl, and suffix name is anhydride, oic anhydride. Do the copy. Over? Okay. Now, another one is nine, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Next is ester. The representation is C double bond O, OR. Prefix name is alkoxyformide. Suffix name is alkanoate, noate. Then after acid amide. C double bond O, NH2 is a representation. Prefix name is aminoformide. Suffix name is amide. Then after cyanide, representation is C triple bond N. Prefix name is cyano. Suffix name is nitrile. Next is isocyanide. Repetition is N triple bond C. Prefix name is isocyano. Suffix name is isonitrile. Next is amine. Repetition is NH2. Prefix name is amino. Suffix name is amine. Next is imine. Repetition is NH. This is imino. This is imine. Next is nitro. The repetition is this. Prefix name is nitro. Suffix name is not there.